7 Tools for Faster Development in React. The following are the top 7 React tools to help you to do your job faster. 1. Gatsby. Content-rich sites like blogs and online stores need to serve large amounts of complex content efficiently. 2. Next.js. Next.js is a tool for generating React applications and server code. 3. Webpack. Webpack is often used in React applications to bundle the application code and related assets into a single file that can be served to the browser. 4. Storybook. Storybook is a tool for displaying libraries of components in various states. 5. Preact. It's pretty easy to create a simple React application that is transpired into bundles of JavaScript code that are several hundred kilobytes in size. If you want React features but don't want to pay the price of a React-sized JavaScript bundle, consider using Preact. 6. NWB. NWB, short for Neutrino Web, is a toolkit to create complete React applications or single React components. 7. Razzle. Razzle is a tool for building universal applications that can execute their JavaScript on the server or the client. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.